Are you struggling to upload your APK file to the Google Play Developer Console? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue, and today, we're going to help you troubleshoot it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you have an update ready to go, but the upload fails. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially after trying for days without success. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they haven't sent updates for a few months. Now, when they try to upload an APK file, they encounter an upload error. They even tried using a different app and computer, but the same error keeps popping up. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this upload error? It might be related to recent changes in the Google Play Developer Console or issues with the APK file itself. Let's break it down step by step to identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and hassle in the future. To begin resolving the upload error, the user should first check the APK file's version code. Google Play requires that each new APK has a version code that is higher than the previous version. Next, the user should verify that the APK is signed correctly. Unsigned APKs cannot be uploaded to the Google Play Developer Console. After confirming the version code and signing, the user should check for any recent changes in the Google Play Developer Console that might affect the upload process. If the issue persists, the user can try clearing the cache of the Google Play Developer Console in their web browser. This can sometimes resolve unexpected errors. Finally, if none of these steps work, the user should consider reaching out to Google Play support for further assistance. They can provide specific insights into the upload error. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile app store launched in 2008? It was a game changer for developers and users alike. Just like technology, the upload process can evolve too. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from a user who experienced similar upload issues. They found that using Firefox caused problems with the Google Play console. Their fix was to switch to a different browser, specifically Safari, which allowed them to upload the APK quickly and successfully. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One alternative solution suggests checking the package name for any errors. Make sure to verify the spelling, punctuation, and any prefixes or suffixes. Additionally, ensure that the key store passwords are correct and avoid checking the export encrypt box. It's important to create a new key each time and keep your original key safe. If you lose it, you may need to contact Google Play Console support for help. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always keep your development environment updated. Regular updates can prevent many issues, including upload errors. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your upload error and get your APK file onto the Google Play Developer Console. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.